Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night and a happy Saturday. So we just pulled up to Dollar General. I'm a little bit late, so I'm gonna make this video real quick. And I am starting off in this always aisle because the first thing I'm gonna grab is two of these always discreet. So on two of my accounts, I have a $5 digital coupon. These are $5, so they're gonna be absolutely free. So these are a no-brainer to pick up because they're a great filler item to help you bulk up your total to get up to 25. So I'm going to grab two of these first. All right, you guys, so the second thing we're going to grab is one of the Finish. So looks like the cheaper packs that are $3.25 are out at my store. So I could get these for $5.50 or I could get these for $6.50. I'm actually going to go for the pricier ones that are $6.50. So these are the bonus packs. They have 26 in them, and then I have a $1.75 off digital coupon. So I'm going to grab one of these as the next item in our deal. The next thing I'm grabbing is two Febreze items. You can get whatever you prefer. I'm going to get two of the Febreze Air for $3. I'm going to grab one of these Whispering Wood and one of these Downy down here. Next up, I'm grabbing one of the Tide Simply Pods. So these are on sale for $2.95. We have a $2 off digital coupon, making them just 95 cents. Last item in this deal, I'm grabbing one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. These are $4.95. I'm going to be using the $2 paper coupon from the P&G. All right, you guys, so this is our first transaction, and it's almost all digital with the exception of one paper coupon. So we have the Tide Simply Pods. Those are $2.95. We're going to use the $2 digital. Two Febreze products of your choice that are $3. We're going to use the 3 off of 2 digital, or you can use the paper coupon from the September P&G. We have one of the Finish Quantum bags. Those are $2. Those are $6.50. We're going to use that $1.75 off of one digital coupon. And we have one of the Tide that is $4.95. We're going to use the $2 paper coupon from the P&G. We have the Always Discreet for $5, free after that $5 digital. So our total prior to any of our coupons being applied is $25.40. After we use that 5 off of 25 coupon plus all of those other coupons we just reviewed, our total should be just $6.65 for this deal, which is essentially like buying the Finish and getting everything else for free, which I think is amazing. So let's go up to the front with this first deal and check out and see how everything works. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. So here is a close-up of my receipt. So I added in 2 Welch's fruit snacks into that deal just for a little bit of overage when I got up to the front. Those were 34 cents a piece, and then I used that $1 off of 2 digital. There's our Tide Simply Pods, $2.95 with the $2 digital. Our Always Discreet, $5 with the $5 digital. Our Finish Quantum, $6.50, $1.75 digital. And then our Febreze products, $3 a piece with the 3 off of 2 digital. And then our Tide, $4.95 with the $2 paper coupon. Subtotal came up to $6.33. Not bad at all. And we had a total savings of $19.75 for those 8 items. So now let's go on to transaction number 2. Next deal up is going to be a paper deal. So I'm going to grab 2 of these Scott big rolls, and then I also have a Cottonelle, the family rolls for $5 a piece. And on the Cottonelle, I'm going to be using the $1 digital coupon. On these, I'm going to be using 75-cent off printable coupons. So this is our second transaction, and this should be a bomb paper deal. So we have $30 worth of products in this transaction. We have our Always Discreet, again, $5. We're going to use the $5 digital coupon. Then I'm doing this Claritin deal that I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. We've talked about this. This is $10, and I have a $4 digital coupon plus our 3 off of 10 store coupon. Then we have our 3 paper products. This is $15 worth of paper. So we're also going to save $3 instantly for spending $15, bringing those down to $12. So after our instant savings for the paper products, our total will be $28. So we still qualify to use our 5 off of 25. Then we're also going to use our $5 off for the Always, our $7 in coupons for the Claritin, plus the $1 digital for the Cottonelle. And then we're also going to use these 75-cent off printable coupons for the Scott. After all of those coupons are deducted, our total for this transaction should be just $7.50 for all 5 items. $7.50, you guys. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works. All right, you guys. So that transaction worked out beautifully. We got our Scott Comfort plus $5. We have the 75-cent off printable coupon. Our next Scott with $5, 75-cent off printable. Our Cottonelle was $5 with the $1 digital. And then there is our Claritin with the $3 and the $4 coupon. And then our Always Discreet. Once again, subtotal came up to $7.50. We had a total savings of $22.50 on those 5 items. If you do this deal, also remember to upload your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get those points back. I hope these deals were helpful to you all. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. And I thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.